In this video, you'll learn how to make and export vertical videos in DaVinci Resolve. Start by making sure that your project is open in DaVinci Resolve. To change it to vertical format for Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, go to the bottom right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This opens the project settings. In the Settings window, look for Timeline Resolution. Then check the box that says Use Vertical Resolution. This will make sure every new timeline you create is already set to vertical format. Now, click OK. You will see that your timeline is now in vertical resolution and fitted to the frame. If your video has black bars at the top and bottom, go to the Inspector panel. Increase the zoom value until your video fills the frame. You can also adjust the position values to move your subject into view. When you're done editing, switch to the Deliver tab to export your video. On the left side of the screen, before you export, make sure the Use Vertical Resolution box is checked. If not, your video will be exported in horizontal format. That's all you need to do to export vertical videos in DaVinci Resolve.